7 jurors seated so far in the hush money criminal trial of Donald J. Trump. No court tomorrow. Jury selection continues on Thursday. This evening, though, Trump left the court and went immediately to a bodega in Upper Manhattan for something of a campaign stop. That bodega, the same place a clerk fatally stabbed someone back in 2022 during a confrontation inside. That clerk was charged with murder, but those charges were later dropped. Trump choosing this location to spotlight crime in New York City, for which he blames Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, the same district attorney who's prosecuting the former president. Here's Jim Dolan.
The romantic depot in Hamilton Heights wasn't getting much business this afternoon, what with all the sidewalks closed and so many people preparing to greet former President Donald Trump. But there were some supporters in the crowd, too, and they shouted for their political hero.
Trump, Trump, Trump.
Donald Trump, the presumptive Republican nominee for president, was here to talk about violent crime in the city.
Number one, you have to stop crime, and we're going to let the police do their job. They have to be given back their authority.
And there you have it, a man running for president on a law and order platform, currently on trial 6 miles away for 34 felonies. Trump arrived at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan this morning, and during the questioning of one prospective juror, could be heard muttering, the judge said, in the direction of a juror. Judge Juan Merchan told the former president, "I will not tolerate that. I will not have any jurors intimidated in this courtroom." Before the day was done, 7 jurors had been picked, 3 women, among them a teacher, a software designer at Disney, and an oncology nurse. Among the 4 men, the 4-person who was born in Ireland and who works in sales, 2 attorneys, and an IT consultant who said of Trump, he walks into a room and he sets people off one way or another. More than 90 people from this original pool were dismissed.
A fair trial is incredibly important and more important than how I feel about the defendant and what he has done in the past.
Trump is charged with several counts of falsifying business records regarding hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. No court tomorrow. The jury selection process continues on Thursday. Opening statements could be as soon as Monday morning. Jim Dolan, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.